it's me Momita. Welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. Today we are going to make chocolate pudding, or known as chocolate custard. We are going to use only 4 ingredients for this recipe. If you're new to my channel, hi, it's me Momita. In this channel I share some cooking videos and my travel vlogs with you all. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So without further delay, let's begin with the recipe. Let's start preparing the pudding. For that, I took half a liter of milk, full fat. It's better to use full fat milk for this recipe. And 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. It will give a nice taste to our pudding. And if you want, you can add some sugar in this recipe as per your choice, because we are using condensed milk, it will get sweet by itself. In a custard powder, I add 1 teaspoon of milk and mix it and directly pouring it to the pan. It will give the thickness to our pudding. Here I used vanilla flavored custard. If you want, you can use the plain custard. Here I am using some dark chocolate. If you want, you can add some milk chocolate to it also. It's totally up to your choice. And we will slowly melt the chocolate with the milk. As you can see, the chocolate is getting melted and it's looking delicious and yum. Now directly transfer into a serving bowl and add some chocolate chips or anything else topping if you want, and keep it in a freezer for 1 hour. And your chocolate pudding is ready. Enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, hit the like button, share with your family and friends, and for more such recipes, please subscribe to my channel.